I'm Prasanth of GM Texas Alarms Kenya Limited. We started with alarm business, security alarms and all that. Later we moved into guarding, then installations of various security products. Client-wise, we may be having about 3,000 clients countrywide. We are among the leading companies, security companies, when it comes to the market strength. Before Safaricom, we were completely communications. We had major issues. Right now, we don't have any problem with communication, especially on voice. Our radios 100% operating on data. Safaricom SIMs we are using for that. So communication strength is we have very good. And when it comes to VHF, it has got a range. It only travels up to 40 kilometers, 50 kilometers. Then we need a repeater for that alarm signals and all that. Right now, there also we moved into SIM cards. So major our transmitters are operating on SIM cards now. So we don't have, at any location we can install a security system. We don't have issues with it. The employees are not under one roof. They are spread over countries. Like when it comes to security business, because all the employees are everywhere. So marking them attendance for them, they're making the payroll for them, paying salary on time. We had issues. We had a lot of issues, and it was taking too much time for that, too much manpower for that. Since we are using the VPN and the softwares connecting through Safaricom and all that, we are really good. We can reach to the client and the employees at any time, anywhere. I wanted to do an application whereby customer can reach us from the mobile phone, wherever they are. We ready to give them service on the spot, and we are a lot of implementation going on, software updation is going on. So next step we are going to that. Definitely we need especially Safaricom and network support for that. At Texas, in future, we wanted to partner with Safaricom Business, so that we can grow together with you. We can do more business countrywide. Wherever there is a technology coming, we wanted to be partner with Safaricom, so that our business grows together with Safaricom.